Hi everyone, it's Mechanic on Rogue here. A clean air filter is key to keeping your engine running smoothly. It helps with fuel economy, performance, and general engine longevity. It's a basic maintenance job and normally pretty easy to service. Today, I'll be walking you through the process on my 2016 Volkswagen Golf with a 1.8T engine. While the exact process will differ between vehicles, the core steps will remain the same. This Golf's air filter is located under the hood in the engine bay. It's in a two-piece plastic enclosure commonly referred to as an air filter housing. Usually these housings are quite prominent in the engine bay, which makes them easy to locate. A helpful distinguishing feature for this housing is the intake ducting connecting it with the rest of the engine. To get to the filter, I need to open up the housing. Most cars have clips, screws, or some kind of fastener holding it together. For my Golf, it's a series of screws. I'm using my electric ratchet with a Torx bit to remove them. I also need to disconnect some secondary ducting attached to the top half. Once that's done, I can lift it up, and there it is, the air filter. Looking at this one, it's not too dirty, which is a good sign. But since Volkswagen recommends replacing it every 6 years or 90,000 kilometers, and this car just hit 180,000 kilometers, it's due. That brings me to an important point. Always check your vehicle's service manual or consult a trusted mechanic for proper maintenance intervals. Air filters are often replaced too early, which wastes money and in some cases can even reduce filtering efficiency. Going back to the job at hand, I've now got my new filter installed, and it's just a case of reversing everything I took apart to reassemble. And that's it. Job done. So there you have it. A quick demonstration on how to replace an engine air filter. The process applies to many different vehicles. So whether you drive a Golf or a different model, the steps will be very similar. If this video helped you out, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more, and drop a comment down below. Thanks for watching. MGR signing out.